So here's a fun update on my 2018 Chevy Equinox diesel. I had this light service all-wheel drive system light up. I have since cycled the car off and on to see if it was a false alarm, and it is not. What I'm noticing is that there's a sound now, like a metallic rattling sound that is coming up. It's not telling me to stop driving. Let's see if it picks up on this video. No, I can't really hear it anymore. There it goes. It's almost like a rattling. You can hear it best with the window closed. So something is definitely broken. Good thing this came with a warranty. I actually have a couple different warranties on it that should cover that. One is it's still got the factory powertrain warranty for 5 years or 60,000 miles. But I also bought this car certified pre-owned. So it's got a 6-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. And I wonder if this ties along with some of the weird stuff that was going on before, where when I would accelerate at the top of the RPM range, it sounded sometimes like it was almost like a gasoline engine fuel cutout. I would have never imagined it had anything to do with the all-wheel drive system, but I mean, you never know. But that is what we've got going on here. And more details to come as I get them.